Welcome to Chair Tai Chi for weight loss. Starting with sinking the chi, we bring our arms out by our sides and gently drift them down in front. Gentle movements, little circle by the sides and drifting them down. Good. Calming down the mind, calming down the body. As we sink the chi. Good, now with the left leg gently stepping out and gently drifting the hands up and down as we open the door. Good, gently hugging the tree as we bring our leg in, we bring our right leg out and gently lift the hands on the right side. Gently drifting our arms towards the center as we hug our tree. Gently bring our hands by our sides and we lift our arms as falcon flaps its wings. Good. From here, bringing our arms by our side, and we gently circle up and back as white crane loosens its shoulders. Good, bringing our hands down, bringing our right hand towards the back and our left hand out by the side as we gently move our palm out in front for flying dragon. Gentle rotation in the body as we move from side to side. Good, coming to center and bringing our left hand towards the back and our right hand out in front for flying dragon. And if at any time you get the move wrong, that's okay. It's not about perfection, it's about movement. It's more about how it feels in your body and less on how it looks. Good, coming back to center as we hug the tree. Good, bringing our palms to face inward and we gently come up and out, nourishing the three treasures. Spiraling the energy up and out. learning to move with our breath, to be just like water, gentle yet powerful. Good, coming back to center, bringing our fingertips to point downward for upward spirals. And working with your range of motion, going as high as feels right for you. Good, and gently going down, so drifting upward, and this time going down. And reversing that motion. Good, bringing our arms out in front as we hug the tree. Gently bringing the hands out in the middle as we flow up and out for fountain. Good, gently stepping out with our left foot. And gently bringing our heel to touch as we push the mountain. Moving our body weight forward and back. Gently drifting inward as we hug the tree, we step out with our right foot and we pull it in and push out as we push the mountain. Coming back to center as we round our hands and we hug the tree. Center, and gently swaying our arms, drifting them from side to side like tall grass in the breeze. Coming back to center as we round and hug the tree, harmonizing yin and yang as we cross our hands and lift up towards the ceiling. Cross and lift and open. Good, rounding into hugging the tree, stepping out with our left foot, palms face upward as we bring them out and up, becoming one with sea and sky. Shifting our weight if it's available to you. Bringing our arms back to center as we step out with our right, palms face forward. Scooping forward and opening in a circle. Good. Coming back to center, bringing our fingertips to face forward. As we toss one hand away, we push with the other. Toss away and push. Going from side to side, releasing judgment, releasing the need for perfection. Repulse the monkey. And coming back to center, we place our palms facing down as we make figure eights out in front, polishing the table. Good. Coming back to center, lifting up through the center with our left hand and then our right. Again, the left and then our right. Good. Bringing our energy back to center, bringing our hands to our heart. And gently opening it out into the world. Feel free to repeat after me if it feels right to you. May there be light where there is darkness. May there be hope where there is none. May there be healing where there is pain. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to keep going, I have another workout for you right here. And make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Thank you. See you there.